fam, sasakyan na kami. Warming up the car lang and then we're ready to go to... Where are we going? Banff. Okay. So magda-drive lang, dahan-dahan lang tayo kasi it's snowy road all over Alberta, all over Calgary. So yeah, we're excited.
On the road na po ang Alpha. Medyo madilim pa pero it's already 7 a.m. And we're here.
First
First
stop,
stop.
A&W in
Yeah.
Highway 1. So usually dito ang meet up ng mga Calgarians bago pumunta sa mga bulubunduking tanawin ng Banff and Kananaski siguro.
Yeah.
So dito ang meet up. So nandito din kami.
Nasa loob na sila.
Nasa loob na sina Kuya. I don't know kung nandito na rin ba sina Joseph.
Andito na rin ata.
Nandyan na rin
Nakita
ba?
ko na.
Okay. So, let's go. Oo nga. Ito sasakyan pala
Yeah.
ni Joseph.
Sabay sila.
Alright! So, excited na kami. Mga
Breakfast
kiddos.
time muna.
Breakfast time muna. See ya! Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Medyo antok pa yung mga kids. Si David and si Lian. Pero they're eating right now. And ang itinerary namin for today ay diretso kami ng Lake Louise. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta doon, lalo na ng winter. Summer kami last, yung blue, yung Lake Louise. Ngayon naman, frozen lake. So winter vibe ngayon ang mapupuntahan natin and makikita natin.
And full pack tayo.
Yeah.
Kasamang kids kasi sobrang lamig. Negative ano na? 21?
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So alright, samahan niyo ulit kami.
See you later.
And see you later. Drive kami from here mga 1.5 hours. Okay, so dahan-dahan lang and catch you later.
And on the road na naman tayo.
Look
Ayan.
at the view. Ganda ng view. We're heading to Lake Louise ngayon.
First stop. Second stop.
Second stop. Nag-stop over lang tayo.
Next stop.
For breakfast.
And
Ganda ng panahon.
morning na.
At ano ba yun? Weather, it's minus 21.
Yeah, minus 21 outside. So mamaya sa Lake Louise parang negative 17 daw. Pero malamig pa rin yan kasi sa lake yan.
Tabi ng
Lake.
tabi ng lake. So
Yeah.
malamig yan.
And mga 1 hour pa ang biyahe namin. So, see you later.
Yan. Woo! Kananaski's country. Look at the Rockies.
Beautiful.
Beautiful Canadian Rockies. Yan po.
When we come back, then the sign will, when we're going home to Calgary, and there's a red sign, that means it's saying, welcome back to Calgary.
Go.
That's correct,
Or
Kuya.
tama, Kuya. Tama ka po. Hello, fam! On our way, but nag-stop over muna kasi nasasabog na ang aming kaibigan at walang tulog. Walang tulog. Si Joseph. Yan o, ang the usual Alpha Fam gang.
Ano ba yung video?
Nga, video na nga.
And we're entering the
We're entering Banff.
Banff na kuya.
And
Mag-entrance pa tayo.
yeah, so yung hindi familiar sa Canada, each is meron government fee pag
Sa mga
nag-enter
park,
ka sa mga
yeah.
national park.
National Park.
Siyempre for environmental maintenance nila and everything else for the cost. So here we need to pay. Di ko alam yung payment, siguro mga $20 siguro or $18.
Oo. Kasi naalala mo before that, we pay sa online. Kasi pwede din kayong online na
Para
mag...
dire-diretso.
Oo, para dire-diretso
Doon
lang.
ka sa dadaan sa
Tapos ipiprint nyo lang yung pass and then ilalagay nyo lang dito sa car.
windshield.
Yeah, sa
Pero
windshield.
ngayon, nag-decide lang kami kasi pag summer, gagawin nyo yon.
Kasi
kailangan.
sobrang,
busy. Pero since winter naman, wala
Hindi.
masyadong tao, wala masyadong pumupunta. Meron pero mangilan-ngilan,
Mm-mm.
pwedeng magganito lang. So,
Yep.
yeah.
Ito yung
Usually,
mga
ang haba
fee,
ng pila nito, mga 1 kilometer siguro ang pila nito pag summer.
Here's the fee. Family group is 20.
22.
Yeah.
22.
And then per adult is 11. Senior is 9. And
Free ang
Ang
mga
kids.
kiddos.
Yep.
Ang galing eh, ang daya eh. Oh. Family group 22.
ayan. And we're paying our
Hello, good morning.
park fee.
Yes. Yep. Visa. 1 day's until tomorrow, right?
Yeah, correct. Tomorrow 4 p.m.
Okay.
Make the best out of it.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you very much. Okay, and then bibigyan kanila nito.
Eto.
Parang ticket, parang park.
Meron na din silang pangdikit. Kasi ilalagay mo siya sa car. Yeah. 24 hours expiration siya. From the day,
Actually, hindi siya 24 hours.
Hindi ba?
Basta kinabukasan ng 4
ng 4 p.m. Okay.
We're gonna bump the train. We're gonna bump the train. Alam, kakaiba yung rock formation na yun.
Oh yeah.
Sa kanan.
Oo nga no.
Presenting Mount Snowy. No, I'm kidding. Hindi ko alam ano pangalan talaga ng mountain na yun. But sobrang ganda niya.
Ganda niya. Grabe.
Para siyang monster.
Daddy, why is that monster?
Because
Look.
of the train. Here, it's the Lake Nanawanka and Tunnel Mountain.
Oh, sa summer kuya,
Yes,
magka-camping
summer,
tayo
kuya.
dyan.
We're scheduled for a camping.
That mommy,
In
be
Tunnel
careful,
Mountain.
mommy.
Be careful,
But-
baby.
Gao,
Because the
grabe.
snow will fall down to here.
Grabe,
Nga
ganda
po.
niya.
Maybe there will be a snow monster and without snowman.
Philippines.
What did you say, kuya?
Oopsie.
Anong sabi mo po?
Nothing. Nothing. And India. Nothing.
And Philippines. Hey fam, second stop. Ang ganda. This is Banff. Heart of Banff. Ah, ganda dito. Oh.
So we're entering Canmore now, downtown. So magla-lunch muna kami dito. Actually, late lunch na siya.
Ito ang first
So-
gasoline station na pinaggasan ko sa Alberta.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, Canmore Petro Canada.
Gallery down. Mommy.
And we're entering our
Is this our
This is
hotel?
our
hotel. Yes, honey.
Alas dos pa lang ah. Pwede na ba?
I think they will try to first.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ganda oh.
Here's our hotel.
Hey fam, dito na kami sa hotel. Sis, ito na ba yung hotel natin?
Pwede tayo mag-check-in.
Mag-check-in
Yeah. Okay. Sige. Try ni na Donna, mga misis, ito try nila kung pwede nang early check-in. But usually I doubt na pwede. But hopefully. Kasi para ma-unload na namin yung mga gamit namin. And tuloy-tuloy na kami sa pamamasyal. Ito na kami sa hotel. Wow! Ang ganda naman ng swimming pool nila! And syempre, yan talagang hinahabol ng mga kids. May swimming pool. Okay. There you go. Ang galing ng kuya. Wow. Our vacation. Hotel vacation. Oh, wow. Nice.
Wow, nice hotel.
Nice hotel.
Yay!
Turn on the lights, mommy. This is a nice hotel. Jumpy agad ang kuya.
Wow, this
Wow. Okay, small
Daddy, can I get
kitchen pantry
Daddy, can I
and the toilet. Tuntua agad ang mga anak ko. Kasi gusto nila sa hotel eh.
Later.
Alright, so see you later fam. Bis muna kami. And magla-lunch lang. And everyone wants to eat ramen. Merong isang restaurant dito na maganda yung review sa Canmore. So we're gonna find out kung totoo. Let's check it out and the drive lang kami. See you later. Oh, except bicycles pala. Can't go there.
Mommy, why is the bus?
So magpapay na lang daw online. Kasi usually kasi yung mga ganitong tourist spot kasama na ang Canmore meron silang public parking pero lagi talaga may bayad. So yeah, there you go. So payment required 8 AM. So we need to pay. And dito na kami sa place. Ramen Arashi. Mga signature nila. Authentic Tonkatsu, 1895. Original Tonkatsu, 16. The usual price, $20. Pwede rin sa isang tourist spot. Gyoza, takoyaki, karage, steamed rice. So we're done. Tapos na ang lunch. Super busog-lusog naming lahat. And look at that mountain. Grabe sa ganda.
Oo,
Diretso
lalo
pa
pag
tayo.
summer.
Diretso pa
Ganda-ganda
tayo.
talaga nitong view
So
na
we
to.
can check it out. Grabe, ganda. Oh, dito pala yung town nila lang, oh. Downtown nila, oh.
Yeah.
Could actually turn left there, mamaya. Side now. Wow. This is Canmore. Ganda. Of course, since nasa tourist spot tayo, nandito tayo sa Starbucks, which is, yan lang yung kinokollect namin dito, ano? Mugs. So let's see. Tingnan natin kung mura. Kasi no, last time kasi na nasa Niagara kami, sobrang mahal ng mugs. Hindi din ako nakabili. So let's just check if okay ang price here. Oh, interesting. So ang meron lang sila is ban. Wala sila ng Canmore. This is Calgary, syempre, taga dito kami, so hindi naman kailangan bilhin. Alberta, no, kasi every city kami. So, I don't know what to buy.
Are you excited, Kuya?
Are you
Kuya?
going to swim?
Yeah,
Kuya, ay sus.
why elevators going up, down, up? Yes. We have also one.
We found, we're done. Swimming. And, nag-enjoy ka? Kuya? Okay, so eating na kami.
Singing.